So, you've been struggling to remember the clotting factors, right? Maybe every time you try to memorize them, the names start mixing together. Fibrinogen, prothrombin, thromboplastin. Everything just scatters. Well, not anymore. Today I'm going to show you a simple, powerful, and unforgettable way to recall every major coagulation factor in perfect order. And we're going to do it with one clean mnemonic. For proper treatment, call less people. Stop all Christmas sales plus high funding. Now let's break it down. We start with 4. This stands for fibrinogen, factor 1, the protein that forms the strong fibrin threads holding a clot together. Next is proper, representing prothrombin, factor 2, the molecule converted to thrombin, the master enzyme of coagulation. Then we say treatment, which refers to tissue thromboplastin, factor 3, the spark that ignites the extrinsic pathway. Call reminds us of calcium ions, factor 4, essential for nearly every reaction in the clotting cascade. The word less stands for factor 5, proacceleratin, a crucial cofactor that accelerates clot formation. Then we reach people, which is our reminder that factor 6 does not exist. It has been removed from the list. Next comes stop, representing factor 7, proconvertin, one of the fastest acting factors in the extrinsic pathway. All corresponds to anti-hemophilic factor, factor 8, deficiency of which leads to hemophilia A. Then we hear Christmas. This stands for the Christmas factor, factor 9, linked to hemophilia B. Sales represents factor X, Stewart-Prower factor, the point where both clotting pathways finally meet. Next is plus, standing for plasma thromboplastin antecedent, factor AMS. Then high, which represents factor 12, Hageman factor, activated by contact with damaged or foreign surfaces. And finally, funding. This points to factor 13, fibrin stabilizing factor, the finishing touch that strengthens and stabilizes the final clot. This dramatic mnemonic transforms a long, difficult list of biochemical terms into a smooth sequence that your brain can recall instantly. Whether you're preparing for an exam, practicing in a clinical setting, or simply building your medical knowledge, this memory tool makes coagulation simpler, sharper, and more engaging. Subscribe for more fun ways to learn. Smart Spark Academy YouTube.